Hello guys, my name is Aaron and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to read a 12 lead EKG. So come on along and let me show it to you guys. So when we're looking at an EKG 12 lead, right, there's going to be 4 views you're going to be looking at, which is going to be very important to know, what direction kind of since it's a 12 lead and there's 12 views, 10 electrodes attached, we're going to be looking at where are we going to be looking at the lateral, are we going to be looking at the inferior view, the anterior view, or the septal, right? And then we're going to explain the coronary arteries too that are attached to each one. So I came up with this mnemonic, so hopefully it could help you guys, people who are getting their EKG certification, taking their CCT or their CRAT. Hopefully this could help. It helped me. So let's break it down. So first, I made a mnemonic called LIAS. L-I-A-S. And this is very, very cool. And the reason I say it's cool is because whenever we do LIAS, we do 4, 3, 2, 2. So those are going to be the views we're looking at, right? For example, L as in the lateral view, which is going to be lead 1, left arm, right arm, ABL, which is left arm, V5, and V6, right? So that's what we're kind of looking at when we're looking at the lateral view of an EKG, of a 12 lead EKG. And we're also going to be looking at the left anterior descending coronary arteries and then the circumflex coronary arteries. So always remember 4, 3, 2, 2, right? So the next portion is going to be the inferior view. So with the inferior view, we're going to think of lead 2, 3, and ABF, and what coronary artery that's going to be kind of related to are the right coronary arteries, right? So if we have any ST elevation or ST depression or any kind of ischemia or anything like that, that's where this view we're going to be seeing it at also, right? So we went 4, 3, now we're going to 2, right, which is the anterior portion, and that's going to be V3 and V4, and that's going to be the left anterior descending coronary arteries. And then we go to the last, septal, there's 2 leads, right? And that's going to be V1 and V2. That's also going to be the left anterior descending of the 12 lead, right? So this is very important. I thought it was pretty cool to, show you guys who are, probably taking the CCT exam or the CRAT. It's about, I would say it's a cool mnemonic to remember, and I think it's going to help you guys a lot whenever you are ready for, taking your board exam or your license or anything like that. So this is how you read a 12 lead EKG. Remember LIAS, L-I-A-S. Hopefully this mnemonic helps. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks. Hot as fucking here.